Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Pocket Option and Quotex. Pocket Option and Quotex are both platforms for trading binary options and related financial instruments, but they cater to different needs. Pocket Option is a trading platform that makes it simple for beginners to start with binary options. It has an easy-to-use design, social trading features where you can copy other traders, and many ways to deposit money including local payment options in some countries. The platform also gives access to a variety of assets, from forex to cryptocurrencies. Many users like it because of its quick setup and low minimum deposits. However, it's still a high-risk platform, so profits are never guaranteed. Quotex, on the other hand, is an online trading platform that offers over 400 assets including forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It has a clean, customizable interface along with advanced charting tools that appeal to more experienced traders. The platform also provides a free demo account, which helps beginners practice without risk. Many users appreciate its fast withdrawals and flexible payment options, including cryptocurrencies. Still, like all binary options platforms, it carries high risk and should be used with caution. Overall, Quotex is better for serious traders due to its advanced tools and wider assets range, while Pocket Option is mainly easier for beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.